Bonk is following perfectly what we have planned in the last update that was only 2 days ago. We have been able to plan this first bottom here, this first retracement, this first retracement, and this second bottom right here that should normally bring us with a new high again. If you want to know how to make all these predictions, it's simply by using Elliott Waves. Elliott Waves is a technical analysis that allows you to predict the next possible moves of markets like this that represent really millions, even billions of money. This is absolutely crazy. So if you want to learn all of this, because for example here all of this was planned, I'm not even joking, you can see on the YouTube channel really in the last update, this was the wave 4, we was looking for the wave 5, we've got a retracement from this second target here. Normally I can find this on the Discord server. Into the Bonk channel here, all of these channels are for absolutely free. You do not need to pay any of this. You can see we've got a nice pullback from the 1618 of the wave 5, and next we've planned the buy zone, and so we've come into the buy zone and we are getting the rise, and so we're going to update all of this. Still be aware of some possibilities, but yeah, so all of this is possible by using the waves. If you want to learn this, it's very simple. On Monday, so to speak, tomorrow, you will be able to learn this for absolutely free. There is a brand new Elliott Wave course coming on the website starting tomorrow. You just have to sign up for absolutely free, and you will get 3 contest with some prize pool. More over this is the rewards really of the contest. And if you want to know exactly what to expect, when is what, just go and sign up, go into your account page, and you will find this nice calendar where you can see, for example, here at the first 4 Elliott Wave courses, you have at the end 10 courses, okay, and the 4 first courses that are free represent really more than half of the full Elliott Wave course. You will get some crazy amount of stuff in there, useful for you. I'm using Elliott Wave for 5 years, so well, this will be really useful. And each time you have a Q&A session on the course, so if you have some questions, well, you don't have any more, and you can learn perfectly and correctly. Next, we have the first contest, and then we continue with apprentice. So you have to sign up as apprentice or not, you do whatever you want. And we have 2 more contests with some bigger price pool really. So it's starting in 11 hours, so make sure to go and sign up, and these will be some on-demand videos coming every Monday, and there will be 10 courses with some contests and some more stuff really. But anyways, on this being said, let's get started now with this. So what we have planned really was simply to look for the red wave 5 first of all. So we did got the red wave 5, and after the red wave 5 we complete the orange wave 3, and after the orange wave 3 comes simply the orange wave 4, and then we look for the orange wave 5. Just something you have to be aware of, okay, is that this is possible that we're going to go through. That's why we use a risk management. If we have to take these trades, if for example the stop loss is hit, we're not going to put our house on this, okay? We need to get a risk management behind. So for example, if you take this trade, now it's a bit late, but anyways, well, you're going to, if the stop loss is hit, risk, for example, maximum 2% of your whole account. This is extremely important to understand this. You do not jump all in. You have to get a risk management if you want to become profitable, because you are maybe going to make some money on some few trades without any risk management, but then if you take a loss, the loss is going to be huge and you're going to lose all the profit you've made. So it's not really useful, not gonna lie. So now we completed in that case the red waves into the orange wave 3. So I don't know where it was exactly, I think it was here. Yeah, as you can see here, so we've got this nice right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got a bounce from the target it was looking for. We've got the wave 5 into the target it was looking for, and from here we just had to look for the wave 4 bottom. So the wave 4 retracement. So I'm simply going to remove this wave so we don't get too much stuff on the chart here. Just gonna increase a bit the opacity of this so we can see a bit better. And so now what we have to do and how it was possible to find this, well, it was simply by adding the retracement tool. So to speak here, you just have to put the retracement tool from the wave 3 top, and here you take it. First click wave 3 top, second click wave 3 root here, so on the right, and you can see you just have to add then the following targets, so the 23.6, MCFIB, the 31.32, 38.2, and the 50%. Simple as that really. Again, you can do simply the opposite, so to speak, first click on the wave 2 bottom, then second click on the wave 3 top. It all depends if you reverse your tool in the tool settings. I did reverse my tool, you can see here, so it's from the top to the bottom, otherwise simply do the opposite. From here, we need to find a wave 5 targets, right? Because we have to know where we have to take profit and where we have to look for a possible reversal. Well, it's exactly the same than for the smaller wave we have planned here for the red wave there, okay, so to speak, these right here. We just have now to take the extension tool. We can go on a bit of a bigger time frame. click first on the wave 1 root, second on the wave 1 top, and the third click will go on the wave 4 bottom. From here, you just have to add the wave 5 targets, so to speak the 618, just gonna remove the wave 4 bison for the moment, so the 618, 1-to-1 extension, 1618, and the 2618 maximum target. The thing is now, which one is the most probable? It's all about probabilities. Well, the first one, 618, brings us with what? A wave 5 truncated, so to speak, that stop before the wave 3 top, but this is a lot less probable to do. So we look next, in that case, for the next one. Again here, the next one, truncated, we stop before the wave 3 top, so it's a lot less probable. So again here, we look for the next one here. The 1618, as you can see, if we exact touch this, it brings us with a truncated, so it's less probable, but the 1618 is never well touched to the dollar, so we can absolutely go a bit above, take the high, and come back down. That's why there is a red square in this. And well, if we start breaking this, we can simply look for the maximum target, 2618, and from here again, we're simply going to look for the bigger green wave 4, so to speak. Here we're simply going to use the retracement tool this time again. I'm just gonna hide these targets there so we can get only the best ones. And again here, for example, let's say that we're going to go to the wave 5, sorry, 2618, so maximum target, and we're going to retrace perfectly from here for the green wave 4. Well, the thing is, we just have to take a first click on the wave 3 top, second on the wave 3 root, okay? Or as always, do the opposite, it depends if you reverse your tool. And from here, add the targets, the exact same ones, 23 on 6, 31, 32 the MC fib, 38.2, and the 50%. Normally, we have more chance to stop into these 3 first target, the 3 first fibs. This is only one, even if there are 2. Because we have done a big wave 2, so normally we should stop in there. But, well, we know sometimes as we do some big push-ups, we can still retrace a bit more, such as this, for example. We have done a normal wave 2. Well, we simply have done here a big wave 4. You can see normally smaller the wave 2 is, bigger the wave 4 gonna be, bigger the wave 2 is, smaller the wave 4 gonna be. You can see here we have done a regular wave 4, so to speak. We stop it, regular wave 2, we stop it between the 5618, 66% right here. This is where we have 73% chance to bounce from for a wave 2. The wave 2 have to have 73% chance to stop here. And so once we have done this, normally we have more chance to stop between the 23.6 and the 38.2, so to speak, not the right one here, so to speak, between all of this. Okay, now that's why we add this 50% these days, simply because the alts absolutely love this day to retrace between the 38% to 50%. We just have to adapt to the market, and you can see here, well, it's working well. And all of this, by the way, was updated live in the time. You can see here, it was updated live in the time on the Discord server, and well, we have been able now to take this long trade, and that brings us with this really good bounce for the moment. So this is absolutely lovely. And again, if you want to join a cool Discord server, because this, I mean, the amount of trades we have taken here is just absolutely insane. Look at this, and all of this is for absolutely free. You do not need to pay to access this or to unlock some channels. You just join and enjoy. That's it, really. Okay, you just have to verify yourself at the beginning to avoid bots and scams, but once you have done this, you can go here, and well, this is just absolutely insane. And this is not fake, you know, there are members here taking the trade. Many people join. This is insane, really. You can go and check out, for example, the ship here, for example, there. We have Pepe Coin also. I mean, this is absolutely crazy, really. The trades here are absolutely insane. You have Link also, Caspa, Jesmy, ING also. We took the trade. I mean, we did got a bounce from the wave 4 target. Floki, we are just running the market, really. I mean, this is absolutely crazy. This is just insane, really. And all of this is simply by using Elliott Waves that you will be able to learn starting on Monday. You will get the first course available on Monday, and more of this. By learning Elliott Waves, you will be able to play some contests, as I said, and get some rewards. So I can reward yourself really for your learning and for your good learning. So this is pretty cool. But anyways, so here, then we can simply look for this wave for retracement. So to speak, this will become the buy zone. Again, if we retrace from the 2618, if for example now we just, with the wave 5 here, take the previous high, okay, like this, and stop around the 1618, well, it's gonna lower the turrets a bit, as we have to first click on the wave 3 top there, and so it's gonna lower the turrets, and so this will become the turrets. Now, this is a bullish configuration. We have a risk management behind every trade because there is always another possible configuration. It looks a lot less probable at the moment to be bearish, I'm not going to lie, so this is the first and main configuration, but still be aware of that we have a bearish wave count that is in play and possible here. That's why, as I said, there is a risk management behind, because we can get stopped out on this. It's all about probabilities and what, for example, Bitcoin is going to decide. If Bitcoin starts to turn really bearish, well, everything is going to follow and everything is going to come back down. So it's very important to understand this. So what is, in that case, I'm just going to remove all of this. What is simply here the wave, the wave, just gonna hide this for the moment. The bearish wave count really, so just gonna add a wave 5 targets. Nice, and so we can lock this, hide this for the moment. And so now what is the bearish wave count? Well, the bearish wave count will be simply, to complete the red waves, and to complete the red waves, and from here we just have to look for a drop. Why? Because the thing is, these can be, as I said in the last update, something a bit more different than thigh waves, so it's possible, it's a lot less probable to be in this, but just want you to be aware of that. Well, it's possible. It can be in that case a WXY, and this Y wave finished simply with a thigh waves correction thigh waves. So next we have we can do, for example, here it's possible still to bounce with a WXY, X and Z, something even more complex, it's possible, but due to all the other arms that are pumping like crazy and everything, it's more probable that we are in the bullish wave count, and so we can still look for this impulse. In any case, if there is a loss, well, there is a loss. This is a trading game, right? We cannot make only profit. Sometimes we'll have to take losses. And if there is a trader that is going to tell you, I'm not taking any losses, I never took some loss, well, be careful, and I will not trust this guy. But anyways, but the most important is to keep the profit bigger than the loss, to keep the loss smaller, really, to make some nice profit at the end. But these days we didn't got so much loss, not gonna lie. This is absolutely insane. The profit made is really absolutely crazy. But anyways, so yeah, this is what we can look for next. Just be aware of this configuration. If we have to be bearish, well, we can go and take the lows, but yeah, for the moment this looks really more probable. So yeah, looking forward this bounce, and once we have done this bounce, we will simply look, for the wave for retracement. So make sure to join the Discord server as always. I'm gonna post this there first of all, and if you want to learn Elliott Wave, to learn how to make such predictions and all of this for absolutely free, for example, the impulsive fib retracement extension, all of this will be covered, and I will give this simply to you for absolutely free. You do not need to pay. I know I repeat myself, but I just want you to learn something good, and well, you can more of this, get some rewards and get some smaller amounts but big amounts at the end, and well, you can just really start your trading next with some few amounts, start your Elliott Wave trading, or bigger amounts. It depends if you want to continue next or not. But anyways, just go and check out and sign up on the MOONCHARTS.fr website. Go ahead and check out the Discord server link in the description. Create an account if you don't have one at the moment, because well, we have many good stuff there going on. Most of the trades are these days into the alt section here, as Bitcoin is very range bound, sorry. And well, you can talk with everyone, share your profit, post your TAs, ask me some requests, for example, here on the alts. I have done a live stream yesterday. We have a really good long setup on WLD, for example. If you want to go and check this out, you can go and check this out into the live section here. Into the, well, just have to watch the latest live stream, otherwise you can go here into the WLD section here and, well, just check by yourself and see if you take the trade or not. Anyways, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day, have a nice Sunday ahead, and I catch you all in the next one, because yes, today I'm gonna record many updates as we've got some moves. I have to update, it's not, I want to update this really, so stay tuned. There are some more updates coming next, and yeah, have a brilliant day, take care, and catch you all in the next one. Cheers.